Hello guys, my name is Michelle Diaz. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it is literally the second most requested video. The first most requested video is my nose job. It's actually coming soon with my doctor. So, you know, we answer all the questions and we cover everything that we need to cover. But today's video, it's literally one of the most requested videos ever, and that is how I whiten my teeth. Also, I want this video to be for people that are insecure about their smiles. I will tell you guys my journey with my smile and show you how I went from this and this. I have never ever posted anywhere. I have only showed like 2 people, but yeah, I went from this to this. So let me give you guys a backstory first. First of all, I never thought I had bad teeth. At the time I was living in Mexico, you know, I was younger, and I feel like in Mexico people are less like, people judge people physically less. So, you know, I never got told anything about my teeth or anything, so I never really knew or thought I had bad teeth. Like, I wasn't insecure about them until I was at school, and there's this kid that if I literally say his name, everybody in my school will be like, oh yeah, that kid, because he was literally that kid. Like, he was so rude. He was just the rudest. He probably still is. I actually saw him the other day and I was like, oh, don't even look at me. But we were in that class, and it was me, him, and this other guy, right? And we were both friends with the other guy. So we were kind of like, we weren't required to like chill together, but we like were sitting by each other because we had a friend in common in that class. So I don't even remember like how it went, but I remember that I saw him hand a paper to his boy, right? To our friend in common. And then our friend in common opened it, he read it, and he threw it in the trash. Let's make his name Bob. And then Bob just like looked at our friend in common, and he like kind of laughed, and our friend was like, so I was like, what was that? Because I remember this kid would always talk like about me. So I was like, that paper is probably about me. So I went to the trash and I got it. Like, while they weren't looking, I went to the trash and I went to get it. And when I opened it, and this is like so embarrassing too, like I don't know why I'm embarrassed, but he literally wrote on that paper, he was like, wow, she really does have like fucked up teeth, huh? And he sent that note to the other kid, so the other kid read it, and then he like threw it in the trash. But I just thought like that was just so rude and so unnecessary, and it was just so him too, like so him. So I got very, very insecure about my smile. Like, I would literally I would take pictures, and I would laugh, and I would literally cover my mouth when I would laugh. Like, when I would I would literally cover my mouth because I just hated my teeth. Like, I just hated it. And my sister, she had already had her braces. So my sister got braces really young, and I don't know, I guess it was because of the fact that I didn't think I had bad teeth that I was like, yeah, like I'm not rushed to have them or anything. So she already had really nice teeth, so that made me even more insecure. And then, you know how siblings are, sometimes she would even bully me about my teeth, but you know, that's how kids are, that's how siblings are. And of course, you know, even though it was like an innocent thing and she wasn't really meaning to hurt my feelings really deep, it did. And you know, I was always covering my mouth. I was never smiling in pictures, and I always hated like taking pictures with my family and taking pictures like with other people, and then them being like, smile, and then me be like, no. So yeah, that was a big reason on why I literally got traumatized about my teeth, and why now I have not an obsession, but that is the reason why I take so much care of my oral health. So I will put some pictures of how I used to smile and how I smile now. And but yeah guys, finally the time came for me to get my teeth straight and finally get my braces. We went to the dentist. I actually got, and I was really excited because I was like, okay, first of all, I'm not going to have like metals in my mouth. It's not going to be noticeable, and it will be a little bit more hassle, but it's fine, you know, like at the end of the day my teeth are going to be straight. So if you guys don't know about Invisalign, Invisalign is actually a treatment that straightens your teeth with retainers. So you switch to those retainers every 2 weeks and your teeth get straighter. Yes. And your teeth get straighter. So I actually had mine for 32 weeks, which is about 9 months, which is so much better because my sister literally had braces for like 3 years. So that was honestly amazing. It was a super fast process. I guess you need to be a little bit more careful with it when you compare it to braces, because the retainers, of course, you have to take them out every time you eat. So at the time, you know, I was in high school, I had lunch at school and I would have to take them out, and I lost them a couple times, but that is the only like thing about it. And you also, like, you know, have to brush your teeth before you put them back in. So it's just really about knowing how to take care of them and taking care of them right. But that is really only the only thing. They hurt way less than braces. You don't feel like your mouth is being like super tight or is getting super tight, because it's something that happens gradually. Like every 2 weeks you keep popping out and popping in new retainers. So it's an amazing yeah, I feel like Invisalign is so much better than braces. I had an amazing experience with them. Like I said, they're a little bit hectic, but I didn't mind at all. And the best thing is that, let's say with braces, let's say braces can move your teeth in literally like 5 months, and you might have like perfect teeth at the beginning of those 5 months, and then later on you have to still have them for like 2 years, and then you just have your braces covering your mouth. But with this, let's say with like 5 months in, my teeth were already straight, and you could see my straight teeth. Like I basically already had like the perfect smile before even finishing my treatment, and you can see it because it's just a retainer. Like it's no metals on top of your teeth or anything like that. So that was really cool. And you know, for me being so young and being so like, my nose and my teeth were the 2 biggest insecurities that I had. So you know, just having that fixed was like a breath of fresh air. The kit with the whitewood style, I ran out of the... So I finally got my Invisalign off after 9 months, and I was so happy. My teeth were literally so straight, like perfect teeth, literally. But I wanted them to get like whiter. So I actually started, when I got my Invisalign taken off, I was actually starting this whole influencer journey. And at the time, Bretman Rock was going really heavy on this teeth whitening brand that I was very interested in using. So I actually contacted the brand, and the brand is Whitewood Style. I've actually been working with Whitewood Style thanks to Bretman Rock for the past 2 years, and they have honestly been amazing. People ask me like, okay, but do they work? And I'm like, do they? So I actually got a kit from Whitewood Style, and I started using it, and it literally gave me results within the first try. So in this kit, you get your light. So this is an LED light that you get. You get a syringe that you put on the LED light, and then you like put in your mouth, and then you get a charcoal powder. So you also get a bamboo toothbrush, but that one is at my boyfriend's house. So this whole kit altogether is worth... Also, this light comes with its own charger, and it's honestly amazing. But this kit is actually worth $194 if you see it right here. If you click on choose options, you add to cart. Also, really big quick tip, if you guys have sensitive teeth, make sure you guys get the peroxide free one, because peroxide can make your teeth a little bit sensitive. So if you do have sensitive teeth or are afraid of getting sensitive teeth, you guys make sure you get the peroxide free flavor, and the flavors are down there as well. But yeah, I added it to my cart, and now I'm going to put my discount code. So if you guys use the discount code Michelle X Diaz, you will actually get $100 off your purchase. I don't know if that was focused, but this is originally $194. I got $107 off, and I pay only $87.99. This is a fancier kit, by the way. This is like the fancier light and stuff like that. Everything works amazing, everything is amazing, but there actually is a more cheaper kit that works the same. I just happen to have this one. So let's go to it. Let's see. So this cheaper kit is actually $142, and with my code, Michelle X Diaz, you actually get it for $35.99. So you guys can use that code if you guys want a good discount. I've been using this for the past 2 years. It has worked wonders for me. So what I do first, this is literally not hard at all. People are like, oh my god, but show me how to use it, da, da, da. Literally, you go into the bathroom. This is my routine. I go into the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I put my gel on my mouth tray, I put my mouth tray in my mouth, I turn it on, and this actually turns off by itself. It only lasts on for 20 minutes. After I'm done whitening my teeth, then I'm gonna go to the other setting. If you guys can see, it went from blue to red. So this red light is actually for your gums, and it like nurtures your gums, like it makes them feel a lot better, again, just in case you have sensitive teeth. So once I'm done with this, I go on to my my coconut powder. I go on to my charcoal powder. So the charcoal powder is very, very easy. You literally just open it, you grab your toothbrush, you can wet your toothbrush so it like sticks. You wet your toothbrush, you stick it in here, and you brush your teeth. Your whole mouth is going to be black. Literally, it's like everything's going to be black. It is a little bit messy, but it is honestly amazing. Like, you can literally see a difference within one use. So once you're done with this, once you're done with the charcoal powder, you're gonna go on with the charcoal toothpaste. This toothpaste is actually black, but when you start brushing your teeth, it turns white. So what this is going to do, this is going to kind of like cleanse your mouth from the black charcoal powder. And because when you're done using this, your teeth are gonna look like you ate Oreos. So you want to get rid of that black like residue with some toothpaste or with this charcoal toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. It's very subtle. It has like a very subtle minty flavor. Then for my tongue, I use this one. This is called Aura Brush. But yeah, this is really good. This is really good if you want to you know, kind of make sure you don't have bad breath, because most of the germs we have in our mouth are on our tongue. So, you know, it's very important to clean your tongue. I'm gonna tell you guys how often I use things. I use this about maybe twice a week now, but I did used to use it like every 1 to 2 days. If your teeth do start to get sensitive, kind of take a break with it. So, you know, just try not to use it as often. But yeah, I used to use it really often. And then this I use every single day. If I'm not using this, I either use this or this. But if the charcoal powder is really bad on my teeth and it's not coming off, then I go in with this. But most of the times I like to brush my teeth in the morning with this, because it's really minty. So yeah, I use these two toothpastes. And then this, you guys can use, this is the charcoal powder. This you guys can use every single day. I used it every single day. I sometimes use it every single day. I just don't like that it's really messy. It's not really messy, but it's just annoying to like clean after. So sometimes I don't really use it, but when I do, it is when it's like before I'm about to take pictures or before I'm about to go out and stuff like that, because like I said, it literally does work like with one use. But yeah guys, that is what I use to whiten my teeth. And actually I am going to get on Invisalign again. I don't know if I'm going back with Invisalign, because there actually is so many treatments out there that are like Invisalign and that are cheaper, I believe. So there is actually the Smile Go Club, I believe. there is Bite, there is what other one? I don't know, there's like a lot more other treatments that you guys can do. You guys can look for the cheapest one. I'm pretty sure they all work around the same, so you guys can be free to use any of them. I actually want to contact some of these you know, brands and people that do these treatments and ask if I can get one, and not only that, but if I can get a discount code for you guys. So if you guys want me to do that and get it and try to get you guys a discount so you guys can get your treatment for cheaper, because I think it's around $2,000 or so, but that is why I want to get a discount for you guys. So if you guys want it, let me know. But yeah guys, I actually want to get mine again because actually after I finish my treatment, like around 6 months after, you still have to wear your night retainer, right? Your retainer that you wear at night. So my mom actually threw mine away, and it was actually before, like 3 days before I moved to London. So I wasn't able to, you know, get a new one, and I just kind of procrastinated, and I ended up not getting another one, and then my teeth ended up shifting again. And I know that I don't have bad teeth, like I know that they look straight, but I literally had like perfectly straight teeth, and I don't know if you guys can see, like when I smile, like you can see like a gap here, because this tooth is more back than the rest, and that is actually the problem that I had before I got Invisalign, and it was this same tooth. So now it's, you know, that insecurity of my teeth is kind of coming back, but I know that it's kind of just all in my head because I'm the only one that notices it. But still, I kind of feel like I need to get another treatment so I just feel a lot better. But yeah guys, if I do get a new treatment, let me know also down below if you guys want a journey video, as in like you guys want to see my journey on how my teeth are shifting and stuff like that, because I do believe I will get on another treatment. Also, I want you guys to know that not having straight perfect teeth does not make you ugly, but you know, some of us have our insecurities, and it's okay if you want to get rid of them, if you want to make them better. If you like your teeth, go ahead and love them. This video is not like to tell everyone to get their teeth fixed or anything like that. This is just my journey, and if you guys do wish to, you know, step up your smiling game, then this is what this video is for. But yeah, if you guys would like to purchase the whitening kit, you guys can use my code Diaz to get more than $100 off your whitening kit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I finally gave you guys what you wanted, because like I said, this video was so requested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, just to clear things out, my teeth are not fake. I have a lot of people being like, why are you promoting teeth whitening products if you have fake teeth? I do not have fake teeth. Trust me, if I had fake teeth, I wouldn't get another one of these treatments again. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you guys go follow me on all my social medias at MichelleXDiaz on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and comment something down below, because I'm actually doing $50 giveaways on every single one of my videos. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, so all you need to do is like this video, subscribe, comment down below your Cash App, and then post on your Instagram story you watching this video. So if it is on your phone, a screenshot of your phone or a picture of your computer, whatever it is, just show me that you are watching this video and show me that you are showing support, and then you will be entered into the giveaway. I will also be giving away the money on my Instagram at MichelleXDiaz, so if you guys want to keep updated with who wins, then make sure you guys go follow me on there. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I hope I see you guys in my next video. Also, let me know if you want a skincare routine. Okay, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye! And also, let me give you guys a really quick tip. Go to Mexico.